Couching is often used as a decorative technique which adds texture and definition. The laid thread is anchored with another thread, usually in a contrasting colour. It can be used for outlines to make features stand out, and it also works as a filling stitch. The idea of this technique is really simple, but it does take a bit of practice to keep lines straight and neat, and I definitely need more practice myself. Working from right to left, start with the laid thread. I'm stitching 6 strands of red floss with 1 strand of gold for contrast. Bring your needle up and lay the thread out to the left. Make an anchoring stitch with your couching thread about a stitch length along the laid thread. Continue to make anchoring stitches along the thread, spacing them as evenly as possible. I think I would mark the points another time. Even when the spaces are small, it's hard to keep everything perfectly even. If you need to follow curves in your design, turn the thread and anchor it in the centre of the curve. Continue to couch the thread, now working from left to right. Working from right to left is easiest for me, as I can hold the laid thread taut with my left hand while stitching with my dominant hand. Stitching from right to left is more demanding, as I want to keep the thread straight, and it's difficult to hold it taut without getting in my own way. Crossing my left hand over to keep the thread taut did help, but as it was a bit awkward, I relied on adding more stitches to help the line become more stable. I should practice using my left hand to steady the thread more, as you can see the difference between the threads worked to the left compared with the central thread worked to the right. I'm staggering the stitches in a brickwork effect so that they stand out, but they could also line up depending on the effect you want to create. When you come to the end of your design or length of laid thread, take the thread back through the fabric and secure both threads on the reverse. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.